everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a heart wreath. You need to have 3 packages of the deco mesh, and you're going to want to have some type of decoration to put in the middle of the heart. I chose this little heart that was on, it was a long string of hearts from Dollar Tree, and it was just taped to it, so it was easy to disassemble it. And I'm going to use that later to put in the middle. Now you take that mesh and you're going to go ahead and put it in that middle, where that middle wire is, and you're going to put it in between that. And I usually tie the ends to it. I'll tie both of those ends to that wire. I just didn't show it there. But you're going to go ahead and you're going to make sure that both of those sides, it's like folding it in half, just make sure that both sides are even, and then you're just going to gather as you go. Basically the whole process is just gathering it and sliding it and just holding on to it as you gather it, and just continue on like that. Now when you get to the end, you're going to need to put another mesh roll. So go ahead and you're going to tie those ends also to it, and just keep gathering it and hold it tight as you go. But make sure that the sides, when you fold it, that they're even with each other, so that way the loops are even. One thing I did forget to mention was I painted that the metal frame white to blend in with the mesh. So it was originally a green wreath, but I went ahead and painted it white to blend in. Now when you get to another metal spacing there, just continue doing as you're doing. Just do it on the other side of that piece. And as long as it was tight on the other side of it, where it was gathered, that you had enough and you couldn't put any more on that side, then you continue on the opposite side of it. And now when you're at the end of that mesh, you go ahead and tie the ends to it. You could use pipe cleaners, but I prefer just to tie it off like this for the way I'm doing it on this one. And then just kind of fluff the mesh up a little bit. And then when you're starting a new roll of mesh, go ahead and tie the ends of that to the middle part of that wire again. And then you're just going to continue on doing the same thing you've done all the way around. You're going to have a little bit of the mesh left on the roll that you just used. Go ahead and take that piece, instead of cutting it off, and just wrap it around the metal wire. That way it'll stay secure behind there. To attach the little heart to the wreath, I went ahead and took a pipe cleaner and just wrapped it around that ribbon part, and then I took the pipe cleaner and attached it to the metal part of the wreath and just twisted it around. And then I went ahead and cut the excess of the pipe cleaner off so that way you don't really see that. And the last thing you need to do is just fluff up the mesh a little bit and just to get it to look nice around the frame of that wreath. And this is the finished product, and I think it really turned out nice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so it will notify you when I post new videos. And I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all again for watching.